Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll cover the most common reasons your Visa gift card might not be working in 2025 and provide the best solutions to fix the problem. If you're facing issues with your Visa gift card, we've got you covered with step-by-step guidance. Let's get started. Reason 1: insufficient balance. One of the most common reasons for a Visa gift card not working is that the balance is too low to complete the transaction. Solution: check your balance. Start by checking your card balance online through the card issuer's website or mobile app. This will give you a clear idea of how much money is available. Split payments. If your purchase exceeds the available balance, you can try splitting the payment between your Visa gift card and another form of payment. Reason 2: the card hasn't been activated. Sometimes Visa gift cards require activation before they can be used. Solution: activate the card. Check the back of your card for instructions on how to activate it. Usually you can activate your Visa gift card online or over the phone. Call customer support. If you're still having trouble, contact the card issuer's customer service for assistance in activating your card. Reason 3: card not accepted by the merchant. Some merchants do not accept Visa gift cards, or they might only accept them for certain types of transactions. Solution: check merchant acceptance. Make sure the merchant accepts Visa gift cards. Some online stores or businesses only accept debit/credit cards linked to a bank account. Contact merchant. If you're unsure, contact the merchant directly to see if there are any restrictions regarding gift cards. Reason 4: incorrect billing address. Many online retailers require a billing address to match the one on file with the Visa gift card issuer, especially for verification. Solution: enter the correct billing address. Make sure the billing address you enter during checkout matches the one on file for the Visa gift card. This is usually the address you provided when you received the card. Update your information. If you haven't provided a billing address yet, you can usually do this by logging into your card issuer's website and updating your card's details. Reason 5: card has expired. Visa gift cards have an expiration date. If your card is expired, it will not work for purchases. Solution: check the expiration date. Look at the front of the card for the expiration date. If your card has expired, you may not be able to use it for transactions. Contact the issuer. If your card is expired, reach out to the card issuer to request a replacement or inquire about possible extensions, if applicable. Reason 6: security hold or block. Some card issuers place a security hold or block on Visa gift cards if they detect suspicious activity. Solution: contact customer support. If you suspect a block, call the card issuer's customer support. They can provide details and remove any holds placed on the card. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity to lift any blocks or holds on your Visa gift card. Reason 7: transaction type not supported. Visa gift cards may not be accepted for certain types of transactions, such as hotel reservations, car rentals, or subscription-based services. Solution: check card terms. Review the terms and conditions of your card to see if there are restrictions on specific transactions. Use alternative payment methods. If the transaction type is not supported, consider using a different payment method, like a credit or debit card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips, and like this video if you found these solutions helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.